So this is the inside of the mechanical part of the gearbox stripped down. That's the rotary speed encode ring, the magnetic one, front and back. They've got metal on, so it all had to be cleaned up, like as in that one. You get the swarf off, and that one inside. We've refitted the speed sensor electrical unit back on the gearbox. And then we can now bring the two halves together, line them up, made sure that everything had lined up in place for the oil catch, gasket sealant on the housing. I'm going to drop that back together. We replaced all the bolts. There was a couple snapped off on there. That was all done up. And then okay, we're back on the Audi. First day, weather's took a bit of a turn for the worse. We've had to erect a bit of a temporary shelter over the end there. So, in the gearbox now, we've taken out these wiring loom and sensors. The new ones have been ordered and fitted, it's been bolted back together. We've got the sump pan on and plugged most of the holes to keep the bits out. The bearing housing now, here, that is worn, that's been cleaned up, and we've drilled and tapped 3 grub screw holes on there. We've got a piece of shim steel cut now at 0.5, which is a nice fit into the housing. So we're going to put on the clutch, dual mass flywheel, and then drop the shaft in with the new bearing, which is, this is the new bearing and heavy duty thrust plate there. This is the old thrust plate here, which you can see on that side, the bearings worn right into it. So we're going to get cracking and I'll be back.